In this video, we're going to learn how to zoom in and out of the timeline, which simply means changing how close or far your timeline view is. Zooming only affects how you view the timeline. It does not change clip length, timing, or your final export. Let's start with the most visual method. At the bottom of the timeline, you'll see the timeline zoom bar with handles on both ends. When you drag the handles inward toward the center, you zoom in. This is useful when you want to see clips in detail and make precise cuts. When you drag the handles outward, away from the center, you zoom out. This helps you see more of the timeline at once, especially in longer edits. Now let's look at keyboard shortcuts. Press plus key on the keyboard to zoom in. Press key on the keyboard to zoom out. These shortcuts are fast and commonly used while editing. Another very efficient method is using the mouse scroll wheel with a keyboard key. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard if you are using Windows, or Option key if you are on Mac, and then scroll the mouse wheel. Scrolling up zooms in, scrolling down zooms out. This method is extremely popular because it allows you to zoom smoothly without moving your hand away from the mouse. One important thing to understand is where the zoom happens. Adobe Premiere Pro always zooms around the playhead position. So before zooming, place the playhead where you want to focus. When you zoom in or out, Premiere Pro keeps that area centered on the timeline. You can switch between zooming in and out constantly while editing. This is completely normal and part of everyday workflow. And that's it. You now know all the reliable ways to zoom in and out of the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.